Hi, I'm Hannah from Ag Systems. We are an online software program for agribusinesses to manage their health and safety. I'm excited to share with you today our new free risk assessment tool. Risk assessments are the foundation of good health and safety in any workplace. If you can identify the risks, you can put things in place to prevent injury. In some regions, such as the UK, doing risk assessments are mandated by law. It doesn't matter where you are, knowing your risks and managing them to keep people safe is not only the right thing to do legally, it's also the right thing to do morally. Unless you're a safety expert, it can be hard to know what to look for when you're doing a risk assessment. Our online tool guides you through the process and what to look for. For example, if you were to do a risk assessment on your tractor, you will be asked questions such as whether someone can become entangled anywhere. This is during normal use and also during maintenance when you've removed the covers and cowlings and exposed various moving parts. The risk assessment tool asks you to consider many things such as hydraulic fluids under pressure, electrical risks, burns and fires, crushing, falls from a height, manual handling, confined spaces, pedestrian safety, operator error, and many other factors. The tool will guide you through determining the inherent risks, as well as stepping you through practical steps on how to control them. Ag Systems is delighted to offer this risk assessment tool to all agribusinesses free of charge. You don't need to sign up to a paid subscription to be able to complete a risk assessment online. You will be able to do the assessment, approve it yourself, or send it to someone else for approval, or email it to yourself to keep on your records. If you want to keep all of your risk assessments in one place, you can sign up for a free subscription of Ag Systems just for this. You can find us at www.safeagsystems.com. And remember, keep safe, keep farming.